To sell digital tarot reading services on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by clicking on the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, in order to set up your Etsy shop, you will need to go through 6 steps, as you can see in here, and the first one of them is the shop preferences. Then comes naming your shop, stocking your shop, choosing how you get paid, setting up your payment, and setting up the shop's security. So here we start with the shop preferences. We choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's change it from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then you click on save and continue. And for naming your shop, just don't sweat it, as they say. You can just draft a name now and change it later. We find sellers often draw inspiration from what they sell. Their style, pretty much even anything goes. And also, if you want more naming tips, you can just click on this link. So here, enter your shop name and shorten it, remove the spaces, special characters. I'm going to remove digital, and it's between 4 and 20 characters. Then click on save and continue to proceed to stock in your shop. So here in this step, add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before going to adding photos and details, let's start first by clicking on save and continue. So here they will show us all of the required fields to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here we have the photos. You will need to upload at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. You will also need to put a price to your product. Then you have the listing details, where you will need to write or type a title for the product. Then fill all of these red fields, including the description. Then we have the shipping, where you will need also to fill all of these other red fields, starting from the original postal code, processing time, and so on. So let's go back and let's start from the beginning with photos. So here with photos, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. So the video is nothing like photos. It's not required. As you can see, we have no video in here. It's not required. If you have a video of the product, you can upload it. If not, it won't make any problem. So here, bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details, and it's where you type the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions: who made it? I did, a member of my shop, or another company or person. Let's go with I did. Then what is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. when did you make it, not yet made, recently, or vintage. So here I'm going to choose recently and specifically between 2020 and 2023. Then for the category, just type a keyword, then a lot of categories will pop up and choose the one that you want. Here I'm going to choose the second one as my category. Then you will have some other details to fill, like the primary color of the product. If you want to choose a primary color, then you choose a secondary color for the product. Then you choose the occasion of that product. If it's a first birthday, anniversary, back to school, confirmation, divorce, breakup. Then you have the renewal options if you want to choose an automatic renewal or a manual one, and the difference between them is the first one costs 20 cents each time and the manual is for free. So let's choose the manual. And for the type, if you have a physical product or a digital product, so I'm going to choose a digital product. Then for the description, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item, so make sure to write a good description for your product. Then here you have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here and fill out their details. If not, you can just close this one. And here you have these three other details, like the section, tags, materials, if you want to fill them now. If not, they are optional. Let's skip them for now. Then here you type your price in here. Then you upload the file or the product in this field. Click on upload file. Then you upload your file. You can add up to 5 more files in here, but you will need at least to upload one. Then for the returns and exchanges, when you have a digital product, there will be no returns and exchanges. As you can see in here, digital items aren't eligible for returns or exchanges on Etsy because of the nature of these items. While it's not possible to edit this policy, when a buyer reaches out, you're still free to resolve as you see fit. So when you're done, you click on save and continue. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.